you can be the hero in your own kitchen. Hey there, and welcome into TaylorKitchen and TKFoodie.com. I'm Marianne Taylor, and this space is where we show very busy people how to make very delicious food in very little time. And most of the time, it's also very healthy. Well, I like chocolate cake and cronuts, but that's another topic for another time. How do I do this, you ask? Well, I've had decades of experience. Having been in the corporate workspace for decades, literally, as a busy working mom, long work day, long commute, getting home late at night, and trying to put meal on the table for my family in short order, I learned all the tips, tricks, hacks, developed recipes, some of my favorite gadgets, and I put them all to use so that I can help you. Busy mom, busy dad, busy human, I think that covers all of us. This is the space for you where you learn to be a hero in your own kitchen, putting delicious meals on the table in no time flat. There is nothing complex about these dishes. There's no 20 ingredients in these dishes. They're quick, they're easy, they're delicious. And I hope you follow along at TKFoodie.com and TaylorKitchen.